Structural damage can diminish the ability of any building to maintain sound structural integrity. Often these conditions exist undetected or hidden behind siding systems and envelope assemblies, deteriorating rough framing and plywood sheathing from the inside out. Rough framing and most structural components are not readily observable. Increasing damage to framing members can continue to progress for years before most homeowners can even become aware of the issue. Homeowners, maintenance staff, and property management professionals can proactively examine homes and buildings for signs of underlying or hidden structural fatigue, or decay caused by wood-destroying fungus, commonly referred to as dry rot. Fungus infection and wood-destroying insects are wood-framed buildings' biggest threat of structure damage. Visible moisture staining and water damage are obvious signs of water infiltration. This is a clear indicator that structural decay or a dry rot fungus issue isn't far behind, if it's not already present. Some other signs pointing to potential structural issues include the following: cracking drywall or siding, compression or buckling of interior-exterior surfaces, poor fit and operation of windows and doors, paint failure and lack of adherence of paint and other coatings, appearance of wood-destroying insects, out-of-level floors and decks, areas of foliage or leafy vegetation that are in contact with your home or building. How SFW Construction can help. SFW Construction is a licensed, bonded, and insured general contractor, and we specialize in dry rot and specialty structure repair. Our primary objective is to provide our clients with industry-leading exterior rehabilitation, structure repair, waterproofing, and building repair services. Our structural framing expertise, in conjunction with our knowledge of envelope assembly, make SFW Construction ideally suited to obtain final solutions to fungus infection, wood decay, wood-destroying insect damage, and dry rot. Structural repair often will require a building permit. In obtaining building permits, the municipality will require detailed drawings. Our in-house project manager can design and submit structural renderings and details. This can save our clients thousands of dollars in engineering fees. When property owners are ready to mitigate their dry rot and structural issues, our qualified team of master carpenters, experienced journeymen, and construction managers possess the knowledge and skill to produce the finished project results expected of a structural repair expert.